Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I am going to show you how to use a graph pad to create an XY scatter plot. So let's start. First of all I will open graph pad. Why scatter plot is useful? Why we are making an XY graph? This is an often the best way to display our variation as it shows your data exactly. Within Prism there are free ways we can create an XY plot. So if you want to plot two or more datasets of continuous data, then it's best to select XY to scatter plot. So each X values can give you several replicates for every dataset. And when you make your graph, you can choose to show all the replicates on your graphs instead of error bars. Start with an XY table. Shortly in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create this particular graph. First of all, I will copy data from Excel to GraphPad and paste here. X represents time and Y represents two groups like treatment and control. I will click on new graph. I want X and Y plot, so I will select X and Y. I don't want mean and errors in scattered plot, so I will not select first one. Second one, error bars, but I will select third one because it's for each replicates. Click on OK. Here first of all I will change heading of graph XY scatter plot. I will change Y title. I want to change color of each point. I will click on colors. Our color is changed. After that I will drag and put here. Now our graph is ready. If you want to change another color, I will click more color scheme. Here I can select different like fire, cute, flame, spring. Click on OK. It's looking very beautiful. Wow, it's amazing. Here you can see that our X variable is time against for group A and group B. Group A is treatment and group B is control variable. Guys, if you have any question, let me know in comment box. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye.